About WEECONACO 20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator, 48 Steel Tines Garden Tiller, 8.6-inch wide battery-powered garden cultivator. We are introduce highlight features or overview summary. That's include cordless tiller. There are 2 amp fast charger and 2 amp hour rechargeable battery included in the package of this cordless cultivator. No environmental pollution. Strong power motor. This rototiller has a powered by a high-performance brushless motor, no load speed 270 rpm. Strong power will help you to have shorter gardening working time. Dense and fast tilling. There are 48 strong steel tines on this electric garden tiller. The totally tilling width of this cordless tiller is 8.6 inch. You can have your work done easier. Safety. We prioritize your safety above all else. So this tiller features a safety lock, which makes sure you and your family will never run this tiller as a mistake. And we promise to give 1-year warranty for any quality problem. Easy to transfer and store. The battery-powered garden tiller is very light and easy to transfer. The rototiller is designed for small garden or flower beds around your house. This cultivator could work on turning over soil and clearing old hard depleted soil. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.